QuickBooks is simple to use and comes with a host of great features to help you effectively manage your business finances. Track your income and expenses by running advanced reports. Save time by connecting your bank account to automatically import and categorize transactions. Powerful and custom invoicing allows for custom reminders and tracking, which puts less time between you and your money. There are great options for generating quotes and estimates so you can quickly respond to customer inquiries. Easily keep track of all your important customer information and sales. Managing and paying your bills is a straightforward process so you don't miss anything important. Discover ways to maximize tax deductions and estimate your quarterly tax payments. QuickBooks also has advanced features such as tracking your inventory, and you can also easily share with your accountant. So now you know all the great features of QuickBooks, it's time to get started.